What if I told you that becoming rich starts in your mind, long before it shows up in your bank account? The biggest difference isn't money, it's psychology. Many people believe income creates wealth, but often, mindset determines what happens to that income. Rich people don't just make different decisions, they think differently every single day. They think long-term instead of focusing only on today's paycheck. Instead of asking how much they can spend today, they ask how much their money can grow. They understand that patience and consistency often create extraordinary results. Another difference is that wealthy people usually buy assets before luxuries.
Assets generate income, while many purchases simply create expenses. Assets generate income. Their goal is simple. Money should work for them. Most people avoid problems. Rich people often see opportunities. Money should work for them. Most people avoid problems. Every successful business exists because it solves a real problem. Most people avoid problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the greater your potential impact. Wealthy people invest continuously in learning and new skills. The greater your potential impact. Knowledge can generate returns in learning for years to come. The greater your potential impact.
They ask, "Can I afford not to learn?" They ask, "Rich people understand the importance of controlling emotions." They ask, "Fear and excitement can lead to poor financial decisions." Successful investors rely on strategy instead of panic. They ask, "Rich people value time more than almost anything else."
Money can be earned again, but time cannot. They focus on activities that create the highest value. Another secret is building strong relationships. The right people can introduce opportunity relationships. Surround yourself with ambitious and positive thinkers. Wealth is often the result of small, smart decisions, repeated consistently. Success rarely happens overnight, but consistent habits can change your future. Change your thinking, and you may begin changing your financial future. Think long-term, invest in yourself, solve problems, and value your time. These habits don't guarantee wealth, but they can improve the way you approach opportunities. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below, which rich mindset will you start practicing today?